It is I, Rami. Yesterday, I cautioned you each to begin to put the brakes on non-essential spending in your personal financial lives. Today, let's expand on this topic by introducing a word that is familiar to many. This word is frugality. Treat everything that you currently have as something that may not be able to be replaced, either because a replacement item is not available, or there are replacement items available and they are simply too expensive to justify purchasing them. The term make do is about to become paramount. The days of buying new shoes and clothes just because you want to are about to end. Many of you enjoy purchasing fresh fruit and vegetables and have access to local farmers markets. If these were to become scarcer or dry up for any reason, it will be important to have a backup. Starting immediately, if you can do so, financially and space-wise, please consider buying a few extra canned goods than you normally buy each time you shop. Be a squirrel and start to stash away things that will last and will be needed. Start a cash reserve in the event of electrical outages, and remember the adage to only give away 10% of your extra to anyone in need. If you have $100 extra, you can bless someone or a charity with 10% of that, which is $10. Tomorrow, we will dive in deeper. Good night, everyone. In light, Rami.